The International English Language Testing System, or IELTS, is a globally recognized English proficiency test. It assesses your abilities in listening, reading, writing, and speaking. IELTS is essential for those who plan to study, work, or migrate to English-speaking countries. Achieving a high IELTS score opens doors to numerous opportunities. It demonstrates your ability to communicate effectively in academic and professional settings. Preparing for IELTS can seem daunting, but it doesn't have to break the bank. There are plenty of free resources available, including AI-powered tools that can significantly enhance your preparation. By utilizing these resources effectively, you can ace the IELTS exam without spending a fortune. Artificial intelligence has revolutionized language learning, providing innovative tools to enhance your IELTS preparation journey. AI-powered chatbots, for instance, offer personalized feedback on your writing and speaking skills. Imagine having a virtual tutor available 24/7 to assess your progress and pinpoint areas for improvement. Moreover, AI language apps provide interactive exercises, vocabulary building tools, and grammar correction, making your preparation engaging and effective. Numerous free AI tools and resources are available to bolster your IELTS preparation. Grammarly, for example, is an excellent AI-powered writing assistant that checks your grammar, spelling, and punctuation. It provides suggestions to enhance your writing style and clarity, crucial for achieving a high score in the IELTS writing section. Similarly, Duolingo offers a gamified language learning experience, helping you improve your vocabulary and grammar through interactive exercises. A well-structured study plan is essential for effective IELTS preparation. Begin by understanding the test format and requirements for each section. Allocate specific time slots for each skill, focusing on your weaknesses. Leverage the power of AI by incorporating tools like Grammarly for writing practice and Duolingo for vocabulary building. Utilize free online resources such as IELTS, Liz, and Magoosh, IELTS for practice tests, sample essays, and valuable tips.